Ayuda. Tila ako yung nalulungkot nang napanood ko itong video na ito ng Don Bell. It's another day of Donnie being tired of Bell. I really hope he can have the freedom from his love team era. Because boy is really not happy anymore. Look at the annoyance in his face. Sana gumaya na lang siya kay Kyle na solo career na. Donnie is really not happy anymore. Tignan niyo siyang mabuti at naaawa ko kay Belinda. Huwag niyo akong i-bash. Panoorin niyong mabuti ang video.